Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for joining us. You are in for some amazing granola and some awesomeness, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more amazing videos, recipes, workouts, lifestyle, fitness, all the above. So if you're that girl or guy, don't forget to subscribe. You'll be doing yourself a favor and me. But anyways, we are gonna make the easiest, most delicious, simple granola. Literally a 5-year-old can make it. But the reason I like making my own granola is because all the ones in the store are so filled with crap. I cannot handle the amount of crap they put in their food. We have canola oil, we have natural flavors, we have molasses, we have all kind of fake sugars and stuff. And if you read the nutrition facts on it, they have like 15 grams of sugar plus, and it's just ridiculous. We should not have to have that in our food. So this year my goal was to have as many clean ingredients in my body as possible. You know, I'm not perfect, but it is my goal to try to make more homemade granola, almond milk, things like that that are so simple to make at home, but have so much bullshit in them at the stores. So with that being said, let's get started. So this is all you're gonna need here. Chia seeds, maple syrup or honey, whatever you have. Organic old-fashioned oats. They're gluten-free, so if you have a gluten allergy, there you go. And also you want organic oats because oats are so heavily sprayed. So organic is best, and I like old-fashioned for oatmeal as well. And then I have shaved almonds. If you don't have shaved almonds, you can just chop them up. And then I have hemp seeds. We like to add a protein with the chia and the hemp. And then cinnamon. So literally 6 simple ingredients that you're probably most likely going to have in your house. So that's all you need. So I just preheated my oven to 375 while we prep everything. And I grabbed myself a little mixing bowl. So first thing we're going to start off with is our measuring cup. And I'm going to be using 2 cups of the oats. I like to add all my dry ingredients first. So here we have 2 cups of oats. I'm going to put it into my mixing bowl. And I'm going to do half a cup of my almonds. About a half a cup right there. And then cinnamon, I personally like a lot of cinnamon, so I just kind of throw it on there. You put as much as you like. That's what I like. Now I have hemp seeds. I'm going to do 1/4 cup of hemp seeds. There we have about 1/4 cup. Love having protein with our granola. And then with the chia seeds, I did like half of 1/4. If you can see that, I don't know what half of 1/4 is, but that's what I do. And now we have our maple syrup, which I am doing 1/3 cup of. And the reason why I like making it homemade is because you avoid the processed sugars. If I'm gonna have a sugar, I want it to be a more natural sugar, like a good quality honey, a good quality maple syrup, instead of having so much junk sugar. So I just added that in clearly. And now, we're just gonna take a spoon and mix it all up. Okay, so I mixed up all my granola until everything's like all wet and coated. And as you're mixing, it seems like there's not enough, what's it called? Syrup or honey. But once you keep mixing, it's good. And I also like adding coconut shreds to this as well when I have them. Now I'm just taking some parchment paper. I'm gonna line a baking sheet. Don't mind mine, it's super old. And so yeah, if you have coconut shreds, add that. I just don't add it because I don't have any right now. Plus, you don't need it. But just an additive, that's all. So now I'm just going to throw this all on my pan. And spread this out as evenly as possible. And I don't know if I already said this, but your oven needs to be at 375 degrees. Okay, here is our granola all laid out. Now I'm gonna try to multitask here. But I have my oven for the 15th time, 375 degrees. Open this puppy up. Put it in without burning yourself. Then we're gonna set a timer. 10 minutes. Chill, and we will be back. Okay guys, our 10-minute timer is now off. If you guys could smell this house right now, you would be in heaven. So, here is our granola. Let me just double check that I'm into the consistency. I think that should be good. Now you are going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Let it harden. Do not move. Do not touch it. Just let it sit there. It's been about 20 minutes and now you can see our granola has hardened and it is delicious. And you want to put it into a air pack container. I'm just going to put mine into a little mason jar. So I actually found this little OXO bin. Looking for my mason jar, so I'm going to use this instead. Let's see if I can pour this without making a mess. Hey, baby, that's what we call skill right there. I'm just munching on this and it is so yummy. But, guys, there you have it. The easiest, most delicious, simple granola. Give this a try. Let me know how you guys like it, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.